Hello everyone. Let's study this lesson today, Taro's Reward. In this video, I will summarize the lesson for you. I'll teach you how to write a character sketch. I have some MCQs and important questions. So stay with me. Let's get started. So this is our character called Taro. His profession was that he was a woodcutter. And was he rich? No. He was a very poor woodcutter. He used to live with his father and mother. So one cold winter morning, his father wished to drink a sip of sake. What's a sake? It's an expensive drink, a kind of an alcohol. Now, Taro felt very sad because he could not afford sake, because he was very poor. So with this feeling, he goes in the forest to chop more wood. While cutting wood, he feels very thirsty, and suddenly he hears a gushing sound. So what does he do? He goes towards that gushing sound and he sees a waterfall. And Taro bends down to take a sip of water. But to his amazement, it was not water. It tasted like sake. Taro feels very happy. He fills his pitcher, this utensil as you can see. He fills his pitcher with sake and he goes and gives sake to his father. His father too gets very happy. Soon, this story spreads in the village. So all the villagers, they go to that waterfall with all the utensils, whatever they had in their houses, and they go to the waterfall to fill them up. So one of the villagers, he tasted water and shouted that, "Hey, it's nothing like sake, it's pure water." And villagers got very angry at Taro, that "You have fooled us. This is just a mere waterfall. There's nothing like sake here. So you need to be punished." So what do the villagers do? They complain to the king to punish Taro for fooling them. But the king did not punish him because he understood that probably that waterfall was a magical waterfall, and Taro wouldn't have spoken lies like that. So what did he do? He rewarded him with 20 pieces of gold for having been so good and kind. Then he named the most beautiful fountain in the city after Taro. This, said the emperor, was to encourage all children to honor and obey their parents. And now we've come to the character sketch of Taro. So if you were to write a character sketch in a paragraph, keep all these points in mind. Write about his nationality, that is, he was a Japanese, his profession, his physical description. According to the picture that you can see, you can describe his physical appearance. Then relation with people, with his father, mother. Was he caring? Was he humble? Bring out all the adjectives. What was his nature? Deeds. Deeds means what did he do in the story? And anything motivational that he did, anything value, moral value that you can say that, yeah, you learned something from Taro's behavior, etc. If you feel that you can add 1 or 2 points more, wonderful. So this is an idea. If you include all these points, I'm sure you will get around 60 to 70 words character sketch paragraph easily. Some MCQs you can practice at home. I'm just going to read the questions. He was sad. He means Taro. He was sad because he wanted. Second, when the old man drank sake, you can see the options. Third, a thoughtful son is someone who is, you can see the options. Some important questions for you. Who was Taro? What did Taro's father wish for? How did he show his happiness on receiving it? Why did Taro run in the direction of the stream? What did he get to drink there? What value can be learned from the life of Taro? How does the reward given to Taro encourage others? Write a character sketch of Taro. I'm sure you enjoyed watching this video, and do subscribe if you haven't subscribed till now. English is interesting. Keep learning with me. Thanks for watching.